twamushanga aine fomu zezi wazingiyaho kandi zirumwe bishani
Okurugira ha Revererian Katehangwa orukuru kushondoza kw'emishango habwa district ya Bunyangabu nagira ngu Steven Nyakahuma ashanjirwe aine bipapura ebyabe nahandika habahingi ngo nibija kuganyura mu program za government kandi obwe kige kishoba
twamushanga aine fomu zezi wazingiyaho kandi zirumwe bishani ebirukoreka ngo namazima byabateza nabo nibye bino murayemire n'abahingi niwogo abyo musiyutejo ainde kakada ko akanakoreka ngo nakora mu government ya nakora na government local government ya Bunyangabu abantu akabi yaho sente ziruka emitwaro anana mushanju ashatuna mushanju aruna mushanju kuziro kuyafushango kora agusine ningo kuyakosa kubihagira tumwitire hemishango
Joshua Masereka RDC wa district ya Bunyangabu nagira ngu Nyakahuma biye na yeta mukozi wa district ya Bunyangabu kandi ataruwe
abahingi ari kugamba ngo abantu abamaze imyaka 25 ba LC abasapotingire government mbenda ku benefitinga ninga kutunga ibintu bya government ebirimwente embuzi enkoko kandi bari kugira ngo nahereza abahingi amabati siminti na shilingi miliyoni 1 kurga mu office ya president ijana for mwezi.
Why you bring RDC? RDC is the cause. Why cannot transfer him from here? RDC is the cause, is the one knows everything. RDC Bunyangabu is the one they know everything. Even me, I want someone from up me can give a lot of information from the RDC. RDC here Bunyangabu is the one.
We can't allow this to happen. We can't allow the name of State House to be tainted by people who doesn't even know where State House is. So that is Stephen Nyakahuma at one time posed as David Rusa, and I know David Rusa as one of the commissioners, much as he retired, one of the commissioners in Isu. I called the Rusa, I asked him, I found, what is it? There's someone, are you the one in the village?
Nyakwato bwa hata kumiruha polisi ya Bunyangabu kuja kutwarwa mu koti. Gashoka Gilbert Muhanguzi.